Team of info and Learn team provide you the most important information about Moz Excel mouse tricks that can helpful you in the future. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel Info and Learn. Let's start tricks. Following are the double click tricks you can do with your mouse in Excel to make your daily work much more fun. Asterisk 1. Asterisk double click fill handle to fill down to whole range. Asterisk 2. Asterisk double click row, column margin to adjust height and width. Asterisk 3. Asterisk double click format painter to lock it. Asterisk 4. Asterisk double click pivot table item to drill down. Asterisk 5. Asterisk double click splitter to activate split screen. Asterisk 6. Asterisk double click Excel icon top left to close Excel's active window. Asterisk 7. Asterisk double click any tab to minimize ribbon. Asterisk 8. Asterisk double click worksheet tab to rename. Asterisk 9. Asterisk double click the top wall of selection border to go to the topmost cell of the same range column. Asterisk 10. Asterisk double click the bottom wall of selection border to go to the last filled cell of the same range column. Asterisk 11. Asterisk double click the right wall of selection border to go to the last filled cell at right of the same range row. Asterisk 12. Asterisk double click the left wall of selection border to go to the first filled cell at left of the same range row. Asterisk 13. Asterisk double click in watch window to select that cell. Asterisk 14. Asterisk double click on copy button to show Office clipboard task pane. Asterisk 15. Asterisk double click chart to bring up properties dialog.